I need you to calm it down.
He's not going to.
He's not going to. You gotta control his little head. Face him towards you.
Let go.
He can't. He's like, feed me. You holding it up at an angle?
Mm-hmm.
All right. In short, quick spurts. You feel like you're a pro now, don't you, Jada?
I don't.
Jada does.
It's so messy. It's the cleanest I've done it today.
I did pretty good this morning, too.
Hey, keep-
How do you what?
keep his head still.
You don't.
Do the best you can.
You more have to move your hand with him.
Like, I can't keep it in his mouth.
He's doing okay. He's getting enough.
You're doing fine. You're not doing that bad. I did worse the first time.
Yeah, we're surprised he's still alive after the first time Jada fed him. Yummy. Is that good? Is that good, Jake? Yeah.
I need you.
Aw. You're in the way of the camera.
You okay?
He's fine. Derek, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get to the right side.
He keeps turning his head.
That's because Derek Daddy's not controlling him. He's letting Jake control Daddy. Jake from State Farm, that's good.
Who's this?
My name's Jake. Jake from State Farm.
Who's this?
I don't know.
You were so messy.
He's like, you're messy. I'm just trying to eat. You're the messy one. There you go. How much did you give him at lunchtime, baby?
10.
All right.
That's all I ever give him.
That's cool because I give him 15 in the morning, 15 at night.
I don't do more than 10.
Honestly, probably all he needs at lunch is 10.
How much is you actually getting, buddy?
Not 10. Not the way you're doing it.
No, he's doing pretty good.
Yeah, you just gotta get comfy. Look at him wing. Oh, you're in the way again.
So just about as good as I do. The first time I fed him lunch, I did it and it launched into the kitchen.
Did you?
He literally moved his head this way and I pressed the syringe and it launched all the way to the kitchen.
That's funny.
So I had to go clean it because that's like crazy.
Is it
smell.
good?
I know.
He's like, less cleaning, more
If
eating.
you stop bouncing, you get more of it in your mouth.
He can't. He can't help it.
But other birds don't get this messy because they don't quake. That was good.
You hear pistachio?
Alright, settle down, buddy.
I can't. I'm so excited.
I don't do too much of this.
That's right, you are a pretty bird, Pistachio.
You good?
Did you just hear Pistachio? He goes, you're a pretty bird.
Messed your mouth on that one.
That's all right. You got plenty more formula.
Just saying, you haven't shot it into the kitchen yet, so I think you're doing pretty good.
Right?
He's paranoid about it going out his windpipe.
He's fine. You're good. As long as you're coming up from the right angle, you're good.
Yeah, he knows how to do the rest.
Hmm?
So he knows how to do the rest as long as you're not launching it down the left side.
Almost done.
Not really.
You got 5 more after that.
Ew. He's like, it's so good. Don't worry about the mess at this point, honey. Just keep going and then we'll clean them up. You still got plenty in there. He's like, yeah, dude, don't stop.
Like, this is the life.
Right? So funny.
Yeah, I think we're going more.